They got them.
The first protest of the line. I want you to know we can out here, we're going to continue to be out here. And I hope many of you join us because a lot of the families of all the stolen lives are hoping that you come out and support them. And as you know right now, we have one of the largest protests. 646 people were actually cited by the police on the bridge there on 94, right after the election. And that they're hoping to take and make us not continue to fight. But all it did is make us even more stronger, and we're going to continue to protest and march. They're afraid of us, folks, and it's time for us to claim back. Because I want you to know, the sad reality is this. Our tax dollars killed DOLAAL Edd. We are all guilty of this action. We need to fight back the system that we continue to feed and give money to. So now, it's hard to ask any family who's traumatized to speak. It is very difficult. It's not easy to talk about their loved one. And I really appreciate DOLAAL's family and his father here with us. Please give them your time. And mic check, please do not say, let's give them a chance so we can hear them out, inshallah. Give us a few minutes. Here's a father who will speak a little bit. You can speak. I got the text.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Waxaan ka codsanayaa dhammaan ummadda isku timid meesha ee goobta joogta banaanbaxa ee u dagaalamaysa cadaaladda wiilkaygii oo gacan darab ay dishay. Waxaan idin leeyahay waa mahadsantihiin. And I would like to say, all of you,
We will fight!
who came here,
We will fight for the law!
who came here to support me and looking for the justice for my son. I need your help. I need your help. We have to stop this brutality of police who kill our sons every day. We must stop it. We need a justice. We don't need a peace. We need a right and equality. We have a lot of painful for the black community, minority community. They kill every day our kids. No reason. And it is unacceptable. Thank you, and I need your help until the last day we get the justice. Thank you very much. And I support you. Please never give up. Never give up. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Waxaan ahay aabbaha DOLAAL Edd. Waa la dilay gacanta xadaran baa dishay wiilkaygii. Waxaa lagu dilay meeshan gadaashayda ah. Boolisku beenta iyo waxa ay sheegeen waa wada ognahay. Waxaan idinka codsanayaa in lay garab istaago oo cadaaladda aan garab istaagno. Si aysan bari u dhicin wiil Soomaaliyeed ama gabar Soomaaliyeed ama wiil madow ah la dilo berito. Haddii aanan iskaashanin oo isku mid aanan noqonin, waxa weeye maalin walbaba waxay ahaanaysaa cadaalad darro. Sidaas unbaa carruurteena loo walaynayaa. Waxa weeye let us stick together. Let us stick together. Waa inaan isku dhagaanaa, waa inaan istaageernaa. Qoys walbaba haddii la moodayo maanta inay aniga tahay, waxa weeye you will never know tomorrow adiga inay noqon doonto. Dhammaanteen waseen baan wada qabnaa. Xanuunku waxa weeye wayna wada hayaa. Marka waxaan u baahannahay, we don't need a peace, nabad ma rabno. We need a justice. We need a justice. We don't need peace until we get our justice. And we don't need to stop this fight until we get our equality and our rights and our justice. And please support me. Please allow us to fight back. Allow us to fight back until last day we get our rights and our justice. But thank you very much for your supporting. And yeah, then my senti utagera ad itageresan iyo cadaalada ad taageresan. Waana idin mahad celinaya.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مكة سومالي كوات يا مدامة وسومالي كوات يا أبا runtii waxay turka please stay back
Let's give yourself some space. We're still in the COVID protocols. I know many people are wearing masks, but we need to give ourselves space, and also for the people in the back to see. So give yourself some space. For the media, if you can take a knee or something so that those behind you can see, that would be appreciated. If you can, these people can see behind you, inshallah. And then we have a few more speakers, and we're going to be marching. So be prepared for that.
waxaa maanta u jeedaan runtii inaan u soo baxnay wiilkeennii dolaal waa maqlayseen aabe runtii waxa uu dalbanayaa cadaalad waxa uu doonayaa wiilkiisa waxa lagu dilay ma ka harayno dagaalkan wuu soconayaa we continue to fight every day we need justice waxaan u baahannahay inaan garab istaagno taageero dhaqaale morally hawshaan aabba walba iyo hoo walba ayay ku dhacaysaa ogaada qofka madow oo waddankan jooga siduu jaylaani dadkii hore ay sheegeen